everybody, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another Ramadan daily video. I thought that I would start off this vlog just kind of explaining what it's about because it's kind of just a mashup of 2 days. There's no like real direction, but you guys probably have noticed I missed a couple days of the Ramadan daily. I have just been so swamped and so burnt out lately. I'm really starting to feel that Ramadan burnout. So please be patient with me. I don't think I'm going to be as consistent with this like daily uploads for the rest of Ramadan, especially as we're going into the final 10 days of Ramadan. I want to be able to, you know, experience that more. I'm also headed to Dallas later this week, so I'm really excited for that. But yeah, I still will be uploading, probably just not as consistently. So if you guys happen to see that I'm missing a couple days, I'm fine. I'm totally fine. I see your guys' messages and I really appreciate you reaching out just to make sure that I'm okay. But I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. It is a fun one. It's kind of a mix up of like me and SHAHD filming. We went to an iftar at our friend Harari's house, and then I also hosted a huge like girls' night iftar at my house last night, which was Friday night. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. We are so close to 450k. The fact that we're in the 400s still doesn't seem real to me clearly, but I would love for you guys to join the family if you haven't already. I'm trying to get to 450k this Ramadan, so we'll see if we can make it happen over the next 10 days. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the vlog.
Hello, hello.
Look who I'm with. Oh, okay. I clearly don't know how to vlog on my phone, but we are using both of my cameras right now. So, and we're filming a very exciting project. Don't mind the mess. I'm just realizing how disastrous my entire place looks. But SHAHD is here. We're spending the day together. We're filming a very exciting video that you guys will see very soon. And yeah, we need to get started. We are officially done filming, and I just need to show you guys the aftermath of the mess we created in this room. Oh my god. This is quite hilarious. So, you know, just casual Thursday afternoon in the Aysha headquarters. I don't know. But SHAHD is now taking a nap because this girl literally pulled an all-nighter. I feel like that video should have been a lot easier to film, but now I'm exhausted. I think because we were both fasting and there were just so many moving parts, literally, like we were changing so many times in that video, that I am exhausted and hungry and thirsty, and this day is catching up to me, but I'm glad that I did start off the day. I'm glad that I did start off the day with a workout, so at least I did, you know, there's more of a reason to be tired, so I feel good about that. But we're gonna chill, we're gonna clean a little bit, and then we're actually going to Adi's house tonight for iftar, which is great because the last thing I want to do right now is figure out something to cook. So
oh my god, imagine.
Yeah, I'm very happy that that is taken care of, but we still have to pick up something vegan because he is not accommodating.
No, Adi does not. He wants to be dead.
Someone commented on my video, they're like, Adi doesn't seem very nice, and I'm like, yeah, you get used to it.
You know what? Adi is very annoying.
He's a very kind, generous person.
But
he's just
literally probably one of the kindest people, most caring people I know.
Exactly. You just get used to his personality, but like deep down, he's a very good guy. In other news though, I got some more shades in this, like, I call it a ninja hijab, but I think the actual piece, or I think it's actually called like a full coverage underscarf. This is from Veiled Collection. You guys see me wearing these a lot, the famous funny bun. But I also got some other items, and I just wanted to share this because I always get asked about the undercaps that I wear, and they're most likely always from Veiled Collection, and they actually just came out with like a bunch of nude and brown colors as well, which is really great because it'll actually blend in with your skin tone. So if you're worried about like your underpiece showing but you still want to wear one, these are really great. And they have like a really, like, you don't have to wear a pin or anything to make them tighter. Like, they're perfectly secure on the head, I find, and they're very comfortable. So if you guys were looking for some new ones, would highly suggest them. They have a ton of colors. I just got like the nude ones, and then I just also got this new like nude underscarf, which actually matches perfectly with the Skims bodysuit that I'm wearing right now. And what else did I got? I got a bunch of new chiffons from them. They have this like all of their hijabs are $5.99. in Ramadan. So if you guys want to stock up, this is a great time as well. This isn't sponsored, by the way. I really like this brand, so they just hooked it up with a lot of nude hijabs, nude chiffons, which I don't normally love chiffon. Honestly, it really is the bane of my existence anytime I decide to wear them, but they do look very beautiful, so I stocked up on some nudes. Anyways, my camera battery's about to die, so I will check in with you guys a little bit later, hopefully when my room is much, much cleaner. We forgot to film one thing, so we are back in our setup. No, but like actually a breakdown, guys. We've been trying to get these photos for the past 15 minutes to no success, and we are losing many brain cells right now. I don't want to do this anymore. But yeah, we must continue. Okay, I think this is it.
Yes, that's the one.
This right here is the one. This has never been a more perfect photo.
Oh my god. Yeah.
It's both our personalities in one picture.
That's it.
We finally made it to Adi's.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it has been a day, guys. It has been...
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Yeah, honestly, alhamdulillah. I'm vlogging on my phone right now, but we picked up the sambusa. I have a bowl.
Mendo. 2 bowls.
2 bowls, taco salad. We're gonna put it in here to look cute.
No one's actually gonna eat that.
I know. Not that literally no one will care that we're putting this much effort into our presentation, but here we are.
Fish. Has to be a shark.
But is a shark really a fish?
That's true. Could it be a hawk? Because a hawk eats fish. I would not do that again.
So I managed to almost have a flat tire and had no idea how to fill my tire properly, so Ali graciously lended a hand, which is great because we're in a sketchy area.
See, like, now, you see how we pushed it and it, like the tire pressure jumps up and you see it's like 30? Mm-hmm. That's, we want to get a little past 30, like 32, 34 for air pressure.
Okay.
Alright, we're safe.
We got the girls in here. Ending the night off with some matcha. Normally I would have this in the morning, but here we are. We have SHAHD.
Is that your favorite?
I love matcha. Yeah. I have a whole highlights on my Instagram called matcha because I'm obsessed.
Let me follow you.
Yeah, let's follow each other. We also have our friend Johanna, which one day you'll meet her, inshallah. But we're gonna enjoy this tonight. Hello everybody, today has been the longest day of my life. It is Friday and I'm hosting an IFTAR today. I think I was telling you guys about it. I need to get ready, but I just finished kind of like getting prepped and stuff, and actually Sija's here right now working on the sambusa. Do you want to say hi, Sija?
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Oh, good. You're just slaving away in the kitchen for me. Thank you very much.
It's okay, that's why I'm here. I'm here to help.
Exactly. But yeah, this is everything that I prepared so far. I still have to like kind of make it look cute and everything, but I need to make myself look cute first because I'm looking a little rough right now. So let's go do like a 10-minute makeup look or something, just to look a little bit more refreshed. I gotta wash my hands first though. All right, let's do this. So today, unfortunately, Risky couldn't make it. She had a very tragic family emergency. So I had a lot of stuff to do, and that included like getting your Poshmark orders out. But unfortunately, I just like did not have time. The printer wasn't working either. Everything that could have went wrong today just went wrong. So I just put on some Quran, made my falafel, and just tried to zen out a little bit. But I did it. The house is clean. My vacuum also broke, so I had to literally like sweep and like pick off the dirt from the carpet. Like it was a struggle, a real struggle today, but you know what that means? That means more rewards, so happy about that. But yeah, I'm just gonna do a very quick makeup look because it's 6:56 right now. I assume guests are gonna start arriving in like 15 minutes, so I just want to look semi put together before they get here. Yeah, and then I have to also just finish prepping, and I want to show you guys also like everything that I got. I showed a little bit of the like Amazon order that I did, but I want to show like how we kind of set it up and everything. So stay tuned for that, but I'm just gonna do a very quick look. If you want to see something similar, then you can check out my natural like summer makeup look that I posted like probably about a week ago now, and that'll basically be what I'm doing today. I'm just doing a slightly more toned down version because one, it's an IFTAR at my house, I can look how I want, but also, I mean, you know, it's just us girls and like we're just chilling, so I don't really need to do too much. I just want to look a little bit more presentable. So check out that video and I will see you guys in a second. All right, so I just want to quickly show y'all this spread. These are the Ramadan Mubarak plates that I got from Amazon, and the utensils and everything. Put the dates in here. People are already here. We're waiting on the rest of them, but I thought I'd just kind of show you guys what we're working with so far. I'm so excited for all the food. Are you guys like scared to be on camera? Yeah, no?
It's like watching YouTube in real life.
Are you scared to be on camera?
No, I'm just hiding.
Oh. No, I was just gonna show my outfit. Oh. No, people can come in. I don't really mind. We have the girls here. But I just decided to throw this one on because I had no idea what else to wear and I looked like a bum earlier, but...
Hi!
I love how awkward everyone gets as soon as the camera comes out. Hello,
hey,
this is Sutra.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, wait, oh no, you've been on the vlog before though.
Oh yeah, I have.
Jazz, say hello.
Hi.
Dina, and then Nesma's praying right now, but you guys will meet everyone eventually. I'm so excited. Everyone's, actually half of the people are also late, so we'll call them out when they get here.